We're at Royal Caribbean's Terminal A in Miami, and today we're testing how fast can you really get on board using express boarding. No skipping lines, no special treatment, just the real process. And honestly, the time it took us, even after over 40 Royal Caribbean cruises, we weren't expecting this. So here's the deal. Express boarding is basically a reward for doing all your check-in steps before you get to the port. If you complete everything in the app, Royal Caribbean already knows you're good to go, which means you get to skip the slower lines where people are still filling things out, and this is where things start moving really fast. To get express boarding, you have to use the Royal Caribbean app, not the website. The app. Then you complete everything. Scan your passport. Make sure you scanned it. Don't type it in. Enter your personal information. Take that selfie photo. And then 24 hours before your cruise, you complete the health questionnaire. And that's the moment it unlocks. You'll literally see confetti in the app and your set sail pass updates with express boarding. All right, so once you get to the terminal, you're going to look for the express boarding line. There are usually a few options: regular check-in, suite guests, and then express boarding. We show our set sail pass, and they immediately direct us into the express line. And this was where I thought it might slow down a little bit, but we didn't. Good morning. I hope this is express boarding.
She sent it to them.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. Because we would normally go that way.
Oh, we would normally go that way.
We could still
But we want to show the people.
Because they're the ones that
Yes.
matter. Yes.
But we can show everybody, if you get express boarding, which way to go. I had no idea, but now I do.
Because we still don't, really.
Yep.
Kind
Well,
of.
I can see a sign.
You know?
To the right, express.
Express.
Thank you.
Express. Yeah, thank you.
So general boarding to the right. And over here we got express boarding.
Boarding pass.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, show your passports that and enjoy.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Oh, you didn't give me the passports. Yeah, I'm going to be happy. Think they're going to make us take it out of the case?
I think we're going to find out if we got to take it out of the case.
That lady.
Are they sticklers for the rules, like Port Canaveral is? One giant group.
I've never been this way.
Nope, never been this way. Whoa. So right here they were pumping some Eminem explicit lyrics, so I'm gonna have to cut that out a little bit right there. The word I'm looking for? Each person, so what's the word I'm looking for? It is not edited. It is not. So you can see the lines for the regular boarding are pretty empty right now as well. Actually, we have a longer line right now. Who thought? And while we wait, let me show you down there is where the employees are boarding the ship. And it looks like we're ready to go.
All right. Always. Always. Yes.
Everybody that Oh, okay. Which one
These are all set. No more passports.
All right, look at that.
Excellent.
Good job, guys.
No extra pictures, no extra scan, straight through.
Well, it's important to take your pictures when
Hmm? Yeah.
check in. You do your check in.
Yeah. All right, so we're about to head in through security. and then we'll be ready to get on the ship. Right, we back. We through security, quick and easy. Now I think that might have been faster than the sweet line.
I have, yeah. That was easy. 3 steps.
That's only 2. There you go. 3 steps. Follow the rules. And I'm trying to show you guys as much unedited footage as possible so you get a really good idea of how fast all this is. So you're taking the ride with us up the escalator. Thank you. So I guess if the ship hadn't cleared yet, this is where you're going to hang out.
We haven't been on this side.
We had never been on this side. Nope, nope, nope.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
So you've been prescribed a lot of adventures, huh?
Yeah.
We're trying to.
Right,
We're
let's
trying
see.
to.
I want a doctor. Encarnación. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Roger.
Have fun.
Look at that. We're recognized.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Here is your picture in front of the ship picture.
Yeah, you'll see this on the app.
And what's good is that they can put different backgrounds behind that picture. So that was it. That was express boarding. Now we're about to get on Freedom of the Seas. We hope you enjoyed this video. Since this is where Natasha likes me to cut the video off.
What's that?
Because you're always like, oh, I thought that was the end of the video. But then there's more videos. Because there should always be more video.
We're not going to do the muster. Isn't that part of
Oh,
boarding day?
well, I thought sometimes when it's just express boarding, and then that's it, right? It's not a boarding day
But
video.
unfortunately, or fortunately,
Fortunately.
that was like super ultra mega quick.
It was.
So
if
now
you
don't
enjoy
have-
in this video and you want to watch more, keep going with us. And stay to the end because we're going to go check out the muster station. And we don't have lunch until what, 1:30?
1:30.
So we're going to go to Pie Cafe Promenade and get a coffee and like a muffin or something like that.
Yep.
C20.
B5.
Where are we?
C20.
B5.
No, that's not it.
Muster is B5.
D5. She said G20. I said that's not it.
Oh, you know what? And I didn't check to see where. Oh, it's right there. B5.
Hey.
Hello, how are you?
So if you're still with us, thank you for coming along with us as we head over to the muster station. And if you made it this far, I'm sure you liked this video so far, so hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to Prescribed Adventures so we can give you all the information you need in order to cruise smarter and know what to look for before you even get on the ship or even before you get to the port.
Your perfect dose of adventure.
It was exploration, but we're gonna go with that too.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Hello,
Hi.
B5. Yes.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great.
Glad to hear. We like hearing that. Great is awesome.
Chris, have a good time.
Yes, thank you.
Take care, y'all.
Look at that. That's the kind of muster station I like. Not the one that has to give us the explanation, even though we've already gone through the whole, what is it, pre-boarding video?
Yes.
So here we are, Freedom of the Seas. So from walking into Royal Caribbean's Terminal A to being fully on board and finishing the muster station took us less than 10 minutes. One of the smoothest boarding experiences we've ever had out of Miami. And if this video helped make your cruise experience a little easier, give it a like, subscribe to Prescribed Adventures, and if you thought that video was quick, check out our full 12-minute tour of Freedom of the Seas right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.